The last thing I want to show you is a couple tricks for using your protractor to divide up your circle if you want to have more divisions and make it equal. So I've drawn a circle. My middle point is here, just so you could see it a little bit better. And what I've done with this protractor is taken the ruler edge. You could use the ruler that comes in your kit as well. And these squares are just about 6 inches, so I've made a mark on all 4 sides at 3 inches. And I'm going to just connect my lines from the sides and draw across. You can see I'm not quite on my dot, but I can move that. So now I have a new middle. And then I'm going to take a maybe I want to divide this space, so I could get a longer ruler and or a straight edge, and I can just draw corner to corner. That's kind of the fast way without measuring. Whoa. And then if I want to divide these even further, I can measure between the points along the arc of the circle. So this segment is 2 1/4, just about. So if I measure to 1 1/8 and put a little dot and go across from it and check that, it's also about 2 1/4, so I make 1 1/8, and now I have this line that I can connect up. I'm going to need my longer piece of paper because it's not exactly. See, and now I'm dividing in between. And you can keep doing that to get as many divisions as you like in your circle. Once you have these, it helps you to aim your pattern if you care about it being like symmetrical and equal. It helps you to, my little 1 1/4, it's actually a little bit smaller in this one for some reason. Again, I'm not perfect in my measurements, but you get the idea, and you know by now that I don't really care about being perfect. I just like it to have. So now I have like these 4 divisions. So if I'm actually going to start drawing a pattern that I want to be the same all the way around, I can aim them between these lines, and it helps me to you know, match it up and make it equal. Now I happen to be okay living dangerously and eyeballing these other ones. So you can kind of see now I'm a little bit off. I might have wanted to draw a circle first if I really cared about how far out I was doing my design. But in this case, maybe it doesn't matter. But it can help you if you like things to be equal and even, to do this exercise first, dividing your circle, and then even put the concentric circles in from the other video. And that way you have your divisions out and all the way around your circle in equal segments, so that mathematically it makes sense to you. So I hope that helps you. Let's put some little petals in here. I'm missing one. Anyway, that's using the protractor. You can also use, if your protractor lines up, like this one's not too bad, you could use the lines, if I get that right on 90, all the way around the edge It's a little bit larger of a circle when I draw it, if I flipped it, than this 6-inch piece of paper. But actually it's not. If I go right out to the edge, it's pretty close. But you could use the divisions all along the edge, outside and inside, to give you lines that would connect as well. So you don't have to remember geometry to use these tools that we've given you for this craft. Have a fun time.